Fortnite has already come to Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch, and iOS. First things first. You would not find it on the Google Play Store like all your other apps. Here, we have set out exactly what you need to go to start playing Fortnite on the go. Number 1. Check if your phone can play it. Before you go any further, it's worth checking your phone is actually compatible with Fortnite. While the game has been optimized to play on mobile, older phones simply are not up to the performance standard needed to run the game. A post on Epic Game website has confirmed the beta's now running on the following Samsung Galaxy devices: S7, S7 Edge, S8, S8 Plus, S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, Note 9, Tab S3, and Tab S4. It's currently being rolled out to other Android devices over the next few days. Number 2. Change your security settings. This is probably the easiest step to overlook. First, you need to allow your Android device to install and run apps downloaded from other places. Be cautious when you turn on this setting, as you will want to make sure you only download apps you know are safe and reliable. There are already reports of fake Fortnite apps doing the rounds, so make sure it's only Epic Games' official version to avoid downloading malware to your phone. Head to your phone's Settings tab. On Android phones, usually a small COG icon found in the drop-down header bar. Then scroll down, and next to where it says Unknown Sources, tap the toggle to turn this setting on. Number 3. Request the Fortnite installer. While iOS users have been happily downloading Fortnite from Apple's App Store, anyone on Android will have to find a dedicated install file on the Fortnite website. Players will have to open an internet browser on their smartphone. Whether that's Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Internet Explorer. And go to Epic's sign-up page for the Android beta, where they can input their email. And wait for an invitation to the beta to come through. The email link will direct you to the Fortnite installer for download. The install file APK will only take up about 2 MB of storage, though the game itself comes in at a more sizable 2 GB. What's your take on this? Do share your views via comment section below. And like always, do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe this channel. I will be back shortly with another news. Till then, have a great time ahead. Bye bye.